everyone, welcome back to Crochet Rocks. Tracy here. If you haven't already, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell and you'll be informed when new videos pop up. Just hiding my mess. Oops. Anywho, got some bits and pieces to show you. So the first thing I want to show you is a new tea. It's not really that new, but it's new to Hobby Rocks, which is www.hobbyrocks.co.uk. That's my shop for Hobby Rocks, which is yarn and lots of other things, including some tea. So this one is the Yorkshire Bedtime Tea. It's been part of the range for a while, but I've never stocked it. And this one has vanilla and nutmeg. It's a bedtime one, so it's a decaf, so it won't keep you up all night. And I've got a few of those to try in the shop. So there's about 3 that I've got so far. We did buy 4, but Gary wanted one. He likes that tea. I must admit it's not my favourite one, but I only ever had one because I was so into the biscuit tea and the jam and toast tea, but it's the same collection. So that one's going to be uploaded soon. And I've went into Pound Stretcher and bought some yarn. Now they have a little kind of sale going at the moment. It's not massive, so I bought some. A little while ago they did have a huge sale where everything was like half price. It's not anymore, but they did have some bargains. I got a little bit rained on, unfortunately. I told you we would get aircon just in time for the weather to turn, and I wasn't wrong. So it's still hot though and close. Anyway, I saw on Facebook that they had some new yarns in, and they had donuts, you know, donut yarn, which was a new one on me. And I thought I'll have a look in our local and see if they had any. I didn't hold out a great deal of hope of them having it because they're not that quick to get new. So I've got hair tickling me and I cannot get it. It's just annoying. So eventually I guess it'll go, maybe. Let's fingers crossed. So anyway, I did get some other bits and pieces. Now this one's a new one on me. They've probably had it a while, but it's called Wonder Knit, and it's got some really lovely colours. Now I'm going to put this as bundles on my Hobby Rocks channel, but it'll be bundled for use overseas rather than in the UK, because you can buy it in the UK but you can't buy it elsewhere. So I will put this up and bundle it on my YouTube, not YouTube, on my website. Goodness gracious, on my website. So this is, let's get it out and have a good old look close up, shall we? Now they had the colour that, you know, you see everywhere. They had it in Poundland, they had it for Hayfield Blossom, you know, where it makes the little flower. And they had the usual pastel shade of that everybody seems to carry, but this one was a new one on me, and it does have those little colourful bits in, and that's what it works up like. Now that obviously is knitted, but I did have some crocheted once that came up very much like that, flower like. I don't know if you remember way back when Joyce first had her stroke, I made her a twiddle muff, and the cuffs I did in that kind of blossom yarn. But that's very much like it. Now this one is Wonder Knit self-patterning double knitting yarn. The shade is 1318, and let's see if we've got much on the yarn band. Sometimes they do and sometimes they don't, and I don't know if I'm going to be able to tell you much. It's machine washable up to 40 degrees, 100% acrylic. Yardage though, it doesn't say, which is very annoying. It's got the usual swatch information, but when it comes to yardage, none. So I'm going to have a look on the website and see if I can find it, but that's beautiful. I really love these colours. Isn't it gorgeous? All these different kind of purples and magentas, and really nice, really pretty. So I did get a few of those too. Oopsie. put on hobby rooks. So there we go. Now I got these as well with the same view to maybe bundling, and this is the Tootsie. Now I love this yarn. I'm a big fan of it. I have used it. It works up absolutely beautifully, and this one is a gorgeous lemon. It's called, let's get the thingy back out, Yarn Fair Tootsie Baby Double Knitting Machine Washable, and again up to 40 degrees, 50 gram ball, this one 100% acrylic, and it's called Pale Yellow, but no yardage. I will try my best to find out any kind of meterage, yardage, whatever you want to call it, but isn't that I love this colour. I've got lots of this one in my personal stash, so I got that one, and I got this colour, which again I do have a lot of. Isn't that stunning? Absolutely beautiful. I was very picky with the colours that I got. I didn't buy that many. This one again, same as before, same Tootsie, and this one is called Fuchsia, which is, I'd agree with that colour, so I got some of that. And the other one I got is this really lovely mint green, and there's some more in the bottom there, which I'll have a look in a sec. So the mint green again is Tootsie, and it's called Mint. Nice colour. It's hard to find a good mint green, I find, sometimes. You have to be careful because I bought other stuff, and earlier on when I bought a new loo brush and a few other things, so we've got more of the same colour because, as I said, I'm going to bundle them and put them if you want to find the yarn bundles, there are some Poundland yarn bundles, not Pound, Poundland yarn bundle. Very common, wasn't it? Poundland yarn bundles on there already, and they are on with the mystery boxes. So if you click on the mystery boxes and scroll down, you'll find the yarn bundles. Now this one, I absolutely love this yarn. It's not the cheapest, but I really like it, and they don't have it that often when I've been in there, so I bought a few of these, and these are kind of really for me, but this is gorgeous. Now this is Aran yarn, Magic Aran, and it is beautiful, and again it works up to have these little kind of flowers. Now I did use this before when I made my outside chairs, and I made the cushions for the outside love seat, and I used this yarn, but it was in the other colour, which was actually this colour. So I have used it. It's really nice stuff. Now let's see if I can tell you about this. It's a 250 gram ball, 100% acrylic, machine washable to 40 degrees, and this one is just called CON 501. Oh, here we go, shade 1307, but again no yardage or meterage. So that's it really. That's all I bought, except I did buy some magazines. We've got a big newsagents nearby, and I bought quite a few magazines to for this channel and for Diet Rocks, because some of them were like vegan cookbooks and stuff like that. So, and there's more of this. I absolutely love this one. Beautiful colours, really lovely. And again, you've got those little areas where it patterns up into the flower. But I love this one. This was the one they were always sold out of whenever I'd go in, or they'd just have one ball. It wouldn't be worth getting. So I got quite a lot really. So that's my little pound stretcher. They didn't have any of the newer yarn, the donuts, at all. I didn't really expect ours to. We're a bit of a backwater really. So I suppose you're lucky to get anything. And when we had 2 pound stretchers near us, the one on this island and the one on the mainland, I always used to prefer the mainland one, The person in charge there always seemed to order better yarn in than the guy here. So whether they just not really have a clue what they're doing in this one, I don't know in that respect. But if I'm out and about in another town and I see a pound stretcher, I always dive in there, just see what they've got, because sometimes they've got some really good stuff. So I hope you like my little yarn haul. I absolutely love this colour. Beautiful. I've used it before in a few tutorials. Likewise this one, I've made some baby blankets out of all of these. They had some blue, but they only had one ball of it, so, and it was a nice blue. I will check back again later on, but if you like what you see, they will be uploaded very soon. I just need to take pictures and get it all sorted and get it uploaded. So thank you for watching. Stay safe everyone, take care, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye for now.